Moist.
Moist. Like full level?
Mm-hmm.
Just cut it. You didn't see. You saw nothing.
Well, the camera saw it for sure.
Oh no.
It's funny the way you do it the opposite way, so that you're making sure that it falls outwards. Ready?
Time to get your hands dirty.
Oh. And 50 grams of sugar, which is about that much. I know that because I've been a chef for many years and I just can measure things without needing a scale.
Oh yeah. I'm going to ask you, how does it feel? Like?
Feels like wet sand.
Oh, okay.
It's like moist sand, I would say. Moist.
Moist. Oops. Oopsie.
That's pretty cold.
Yeah? It's ice cold.
Yeah, so now we want it to like kind of clump together.
Yeah.
Look at his little face.
Oh no, look at him. He's so violent. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, it worked. It looks pretty.